Welcome to part 2 of Microwave Me's Valentine's Day special. So you've already given your sweetheart her entertaining chocolate-covered cherries. So now that the candy's out of the way, it's time for dinner. And what better treat than dinner and a show? You've already seen a soy sauce packet before, so you know that's a good idea. Originally a bad idea, changed to a good idea. Let's review. You see, that was safe and entertaining. Dinner and a show is the perfect thing to give your date. Now I wonder what happens with duck sauce if it produces the same results. Now let's see if duck sauce is just as exciting. I'm going to do 2 of them for twice the fun. Too far apart. That's better. Now, 2 minutes just to make sure they both go off. Right, that one ain't gonna do shit. Apparently, duck sauce isn't just a hot idea. It leaks everywhere, it doesn't fly around, it does nothing special, it just pops and groans. So, my final review: soy sauce, good idea. Duck sauce, not so much. I don't know if I'd call it a bad idea, because nothing bad happened here. But I don't know if I'd call it a stupid idea, because the pop was kind of entertaining. Gee, I'm having a lot of push ideas in Season 3, but that's exactly what it's going to be.